I am Weirdo Miata, and this is my face. I figured that I'd put a face to the name because people like faces, so I figured that I would go ahead and give a face. So basically, I've been gone for a little over a month now, and I'd like to apologize for that, but I was in school, and I've just recently got out for summer break, so I would figure that I would just, sorry, I was looking at myself. This is like the first time I've ever done this, so please bear with me. I'm doing this in one take, and it is currently 1 in the morning, and I just decided to be like, why not do this right now? So that just shows you how I am. So basically I would just like to show you guys where I am with the car and what I've been doing for the last month, and give you guys a little bit of tidbits before we hop into the video that I've promised, the driving POV video. So I go ahead and just do this super fast so you guys don't have to worry about it, and I'll put the timestamp below if you guys don't want to listen to this and you just want to skip. So basically I have been gone for about a month, and I've been in school, and I've recently out for summer, like I've just said. And basically what I've installed on the car are these Jegs coil packs that I've been so desperately wanting, but I've been in school and I haven't been able to work as much to be able to afford them. So now I can actually put these on the car, and they'll already be on the car as that video is coming, so I'm not gonna really install these. They've already been on the car, and there's really not an install video that I can really do for those. I also installed a new intercooler because I kind of splurged, because basically a rock impaled my intercooler. So I was like, let's not just get the same one, let's upgrade, because in the next month you guys are gonna be super excited because we're going big power. Not saying the car isn't already at big power, but it's gonna be even cooler. So basically what we're gonna be doing is just a little driving POV video, and I'm just I apologize for being gone for so long, and thank you guys. Hi everyone. Sorry I don't have like a head mount right now. My GoPro isn't working, so we're just gonna do this. So here is my first ever driving POV video. I mean, like, it's not really a POV. You're just gonna be able to hear the car, and I'm just gonna take you with me to go get cat food and cat stuff for my cat. So yeah. So I'll just do some pulls and do some maybe like little driving around stuff. Miata. I mean, I don't have heat, AC, or anything. The drive quality is really good, but like it's still on coilovers. It isn't the most perfect thing in the world. So yeah, so we're gonna go get cat food for my cat. Do a little bit, get a couple more pools, get some gas, and we'll wrap it up. Requesting me doing this kind of stuff, like do like a little POV drive, but I'm just gonna like, this is the first time I've ever done this, so please bear with me because I'm still learning the YouTube thing. But it's next time, next video, let me see how good this does, and I'll invest in some nice camera equipment, not nice camera equipment. Again, I'm still just some kid, so, but we'll see where this goes. Oh shit. This douche fucking, I swear, I don't feel like old people should have driver's licenses. I think that's just me. Like, I feel like I feel like after you turn like 60, 70, like you should have to get another, like you have to take the test again or something. Just mostly because like some of these motherfuckers are like up against the fucking steering wheel acting like a complete buffoon, you know? It's fucking awesome out today though. I put down the top, but I don't know if you guys would be able to hear me. There's a guy riding my ass. So nice outside. Look at this. So pretty. It's so nice outside. Sorry about that. Go ahead, you. A little pool. That really wasn't a little pool. I'm still grannying it. That's like half throttle. I'm still grannying it right now. I'm just not trying to fuck with anything. Because again, I still need to get that retune done. But right now, she's minty. I just turned on the fans. If you heard the idle drop a little bit, I just turned. But I'll up you. Sorry about that. My phone died, and somebody's car sounded weird. You know, like, okay, most of you guys know, like, you guys probably own a shit box, like me. And, sorry, I'm parking. You guys own a shit box like me, and hear somebody pulling up with a fucking beater shitter, and then they pull up next to you, and you think the noise is coming from your car, so you get scared, you know what I mean? You know how it is. Okay. Let's go get some shit from the PetSmart. Thumbnail. This is nice. So pretty out today. Let's go get the freaking shit from the PetSmart though. Oh. Look at these bros. So cute. Anyway. Bird. Bougie, you know. We bougie to get the tidy cats up in here, but the lightweight, because, you know, I'm scrawny as fuck. But we go with the lightweight tidy cats. We jamming, bro. Facts. Oh, okay. Who said Miatas can't be dailies? Watch this shit. Watch this. Look at that. She fits nicely, man. Oh yeah. Keep that weight. Keep the tires gripping. God. Hey, bud. Dude, this is what I hate about having a small car. I almost got fucking hit. But you can't tell me a Miata ain't cool though. Traffic. Oh, and there's a cop right there. Uh-oh. We'll keep it chill. If we get pulled over, I think it'll be cool for you too. This car rattles so much. This is like, that's the one thing I don't like about this car. That's the... What are you honking at me for? We keep it chill here. Understand why, like, when I build a car and I put like all this research and effort into it, sorry, there's a lot of cars, when I put like all this research and effort in it, it breaks. But like these auto manufacturers, they just build a car and it lasts, there's a Civic, and they last fucking forever. Maybe it's because, you know, I'm 19 and an idiot and literally, oh shit, yo. But I'm too afraid I'd kill myself. I mean, I'm in this death trap, which is... Sorry. I do a little bit. Oh, pops. All the pops. Give me the pops. Oh, this guy's ruining it. This guy's ruining it. Burbles are cool though. Burbles are really cool. Oh! Sorry. Oh. The road that I live on sucks so much. It's like so bumpy and shit. But yes, we're ending the near the ride, the end of the ride. Cut it up. Make it cool. But God, I need to fix my fender. It just rattles. I don't know why it does it so much, but it just rattles at certain RPMs. It makes weird noises. I'm gonna pull into my driveway, and then we'll do my outro. Well, bye. Guys, that was it. I'm sorry if it wasn't all cracked up as much as you guys probably wanted it to be. But again, I'm still... Sorry, this is always super cool to look at. I don't know. I'm just still getting a handle on this kind of stuff, and yeah. I'm gonna put my Instagram, TikTok in my on the screen right here, and then just make sure to follow those to stay updated, because I do post on those like daily and just like random crap. So it was nice talking to you guys. I'll see you later. Bye.